In a major achievement for Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS, the Department of Sports Medicine RIMS has successfully performed the first ever arthroscopic posterior cruciate ligament PCL reconstruction surgery of the knee in Manipur, marking a major milestone in advanced sports injury treatment in the state. The PCL reconstruction surgery was performed on a 7-year-old football player who had sustained a complete tear of the posterior cruciate ligament of the right knee. The surgery was successful and the patient has recovered well and is currently in satisfactory condition. The surgery was carried out by the sports medicine team led by Assistant Professor Dr. Fairoijam Bhupesh under the supervision of Professor Dr. Akoijam Joy Singh and Dr. Yumnam Ningthemba Singh, Associate Professor and Head of the Department of Sports Medicine. The anesthesia team was handled by Professor Dr. Langpuk Lakpam Chauba Singh. Meanwhile, Director of RIMS has congratulated the surgeons, anesthetists, nurses and support staff who were part of the surgery and stated that the achievement reflects the Institute's growing capability to provide specialized arthroscopic reconstructive treatment within the state. The director further asserted that the landmark achievement will reduce the need for patients to travel outside Manipur for advanced ligament reconstruction surgery and further strengthens RIMS' position as a center for modern sports medicine and arthroscopic surgery in the region.